Hi guys. All right, we're in second week of our endangered species unit. Just like we've been doing for the last, I don't know how many weeks, you're going to be completing everything inside Google Classrooms. So when you go into Google Classrooms, you will see an assignment that is called the Dodo Bird Scamper. I'll show you what that will look like. Hold on, make sure you don't see it too early. So Dodo Bird Scamper in the endangered species. So when you go into the assignment, there's three parts. You are going to first just review about the dodo bird, why it's no longer alive with this PowerPoint or Google Slides file, give you some good information about the dodo bird. Then you're going to go back in time and help the dodo bird avoid extinction. So there were some pretty key reasons why the dodo bird did not survive. So in the Scamper file, you're going to write your ideas to the below questions in the boxes. Then on a separate sheet of paper, you're going to sketch a picture, which is like draw a picture of your new animal, including its habitat. So the whole page is going to be filled up. You're going to share your drawing with me by uploading it in the Your Work section. There is actually a video right here about how to upload your projects to Google Classrooms. So when you open the Scamper file, going to tell you all the different things for all the words of Scamper. So essentially you're starting with the dodo bird, but then you're going to substitute a body part of the dodo bird with that of another animal. So think about a part of the dodo bird that was not helpful to it. You're going to combine the dodo bird with another animal. And so then you're going to write about, in these spaces, you're writing about what that would look like. So if you're combining it, like which parts is it going to have now? Of that new animal, and what are you getting rid of on the dodo bird? Adjust a body part to do something that it can't already do. There's a pretty key part of the dodo bird that if it were adjusted would be very helpful. Modify a body part to make it larger or smaller. Put the bird in a different habitat. So think about how maybe that island wasn't as helpful and where a different place that would be more helpful would be. Eliminate something on the dodo bird, so get rid of it, and then reverse or rearrange body parts on the dodo bird. So think about where something else might be more useful. And then you're going to give your creature a new name because it's really no longer a dodo bird. So when you're done with this part, you can turn it in, but then don't forget that you have your drawing. So your drawing, you'll put it on a separate piece of paper, and then you'll show it in the Your Work section. Let me see if I can show you guys that. Oh, sorry about the guy doing yard work back there. So this won't show up yet, but if you look at the assignment in the Your Work section, you can add or create. So if you have a drawing, you will just take a picture of it and then save it on your computer, and then you can upload that picture as a file from your computer. After you do the Scamper, you're going to choose one activity from the Choiceboard Brain Teaser pack. So make it where you guys can edit. Make a copy. So you've got lots of choices, but you're going to pick one particular activity. So you can brainstorm as many possible ways that humans can help. You can get really creative and create a new animal species that will not be affected by pollution or habitat loss. You're going to draw it, give it a name, write a description of its adaptations that help it resist pollution or habitat loss. And then just like you did for your Scamper, you'll share your drawing. Don't forget to watch the video if you're not sure. You can draw the word. So this is a way to be really creative. To create an illustration out of the letters. So this is like weighty words if you've done that before. But the illustration should help us understand the meaning of the word. And then like before, you'll share that drawing in the Your Work section. You can do an acrostic poem to explain your knowledge, thoughts, or opinions about an endangered animal of your choice. You will probably need to find a book on epic or do research using the media and research tools to learn about endangered animals. All right, you'll write the name of your animal down the left side of the page. So like if you did a panda, then P would be information or an opinion about the panda bear. And then finally, similes. I know some of you guys have been studying, oh my gosh, the word is escaping me. Figurative language, thank you, figurative language. And so you're going to complete these. Now, some of these, if we were in class together, we would have studied all of these, but some of these you may not know. You might not know about the peregrine falcon, really cool animal, by the way. So you may have to look at some of the information online. So just for an example, a dodo bird is like the sun at night because you can no longer see it. So the words are endangered, threatened species, peregrine falcon, passenger pigeon, extinction, and then you can create your own. So for this activity, you need to do one. Once you've done one, you click the turn in button that will be over here for you, and then you are finished. If you want to do more than one, that's awesome. Go for it. Miss you guys.